Glad to be here. I'm Ilya from Vself team, and I would like to introduce you to our project, which is Studio. And yeah, let's start with the demo, with the presentation. So what we have been building for this hackathon is community membership tooling powered by ZKs. So we could do a membership flow without revealing one's particular identity, and our users should be able to prove that they belong to some community without leaving traces recognizable on chain or without in a zero knowledge manner, without revealing their particular identity to the observers. So how we did it? Just a sec. A little bit of background. Vself is already existing project, and we're focusing on identity management and building customer relationships with the brands. So brands could do like analytics and interact with their audience in a privacy-preserving and like ethical manner. That was the vision for Vself in general. And for this project, here you can see like our tag of cloud of tags. Yeah, for this particular project, we designed a system which implements ZK proofs on the client side. So for this, we implemented NPM package compiled to WebAssembly, and we run the computation on the side of our application in the web browser. And our solution to the privacy is to store everything sensitive on the client, put some commitments on chain to do the ZK verification of data integrity or any other like predicates on the data. And on the user side, we constantly verify ZK proofs provided, so user can actually see what is going on without revealing like which communities she wants to join, etc. I don't know if I have a time for demo. Let me first dive into the implementation details a little bit. So how we did it, we used already existing implementation of bullet proofs written in Rust to do the following. On the client side, user logs in with his like blockchain account. For example, we're using Near blockchain as a layer 1, as we already have been building on this network for this network. And after logging in, user uses his private key to produce commitment, which then is put on chain into some kind of accumulator. Currently it's like plain text. When this commitment is added to the like community accumulator, then a user can automatically produce zero knowledge proof, which then can be verified by the third party, and the verification will like yield the result if a user is indeed a part of a specific community. So that's like the scheme of things. And what do we see as a use cases? Like currently we see several ones. First of all the use cases that are regulatory based, like when you have sensitive information. For example, you've passed KYC for some DeFi service and you want to keep private a specific identity when you interact with the service. but you just want to prove that you have passed KYC, for example, or you have been approved by the brand, or have been eligible for some kind of restricted content, for example. So you could authorize with the zero knowledge proof, and then get access to some web page or anything. And the third, lowest hanging fruit that we can see is a kind of governance and voting based off the private community membership model. So briefly, our tech stack, you can see on this slide, it's a near-based product, and and full stack application we've deployed during the hackathon, which is available online, written in the TypeScript, yes, and using our custom NPM package for the client side computation of zero knowledge.
Yes. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vself team.
Thank you, guys.